have a recipe for a delicious pineapple and chicken salad for those who like this combination. Please save this recipe and prepare it at home. You will find the exact quantity of ingredients as always in the description under the video. I invite new viewers to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with my recipes. We need 2 chicken fillets fried in your favorite spices. I added gyros seasoning, a jar of canned celery, 4 gherkins, and 3 tablespoons of the light part of the leek, a small can of canned corn. Season everything with salt and pepper. Add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a spoonful of cream or natural yogurt, and all you need to do is mix everything. Our delicious salad is ready. It presents beautifully, very good.